server SMTP extension tutorial. So today we're going to show you how to plug in your AWS credentials inside of Likeable Forms. So to get started, you want to go ahead and add in your Likeable Forms license key, and you'll also need to paste in your Amazon SMTP password, and then go ahead and hit verify license key. So once our license key has been validated, let's go ahead and move on to our extension settings. To get started, we'll need our SMTP endpoint. Now this is going to be unique for a lot of people watching this video, but for us, it's going to be email-smtp.us-east-1.amazonaws.com. Again, check out our documentation on how to obtain your specific endpoint. The next step is we also need our Amazon username. Now this is not the username you use to log in with. This is your SMTP username. So let's go ahead and paste in ours. This is just a randomly generated one for our demo. The next step is specific to your company. It's a from name. So for us and for our demo, we're just going to type in Likeable Forms. And lastly, we need a port number and we need to configure the protocol. So at the time of filming this video, Amazon's going to recommend either port 25 or port 587. 587 is typically a little more secure, so let's go ahead and select 587. And for the protocol, we need to go ahead and select TLS. Now you can always alter these and change these if you notice that some of your emails aren't getting delivered. But to get started, we do recommend 587 and a protocol TLS. Now last step here is instead of saving your form like you typically would with a regular extension, you actually want to go ahead and select Save SMTP Settings. And what this is going to do is it's going to allow these credentials to be applied for your entire site and for all forms. So that way you're not having to re-add your SMTP endpoint, username, password, and reconfigure the port and protocol for each form. Lastly, it is recommended to verify an identity inside of Amazon Web Server just to increase your deliverability for all of your emails. Again, if you don't know how to do that, please check out our documentation and we'll provide some articles on how to handle this. There you have it.